Yeah, says NDC Libyan you. Message on Mahama or the Mzbel. I will baby and Yereda. Kwasia for bring yourself. And the people that invest in them, they don't. One of our check. Ama John Mahama and this web room. John Mahama or the Mzbel. I will fear na Lordina Mahama womb. Almost for me call the same Togo no. No kobo media. This is the beginning of nothing. More we need election or Ghana for any so. May many so more toilets any day. Bring it, Mufabra. May I show you said John Mahama. Ya two abanawie. Me pesa political party be a generally. And this is for come for the main cause.
Ebusia ene dia no power the media no so enye easy. Queen Afia Schwar Mzbel omampenya ya to the swa by John Dramani Mahama any Mzbel.
Go and kill my children. John Mahama or the Mzbel. Nani ireda demo. Or the Mzbel. Mo koto goda mo kobodia in the presence of Lordina. Now Lordina ada. And this is way. Mo kwan to an kobodia biom. Me say John Mahama or the Mzbel. I will fear na Lordina them.
Let's talk GH rumors and any first time I'm popping to my video, make sure to subscribe and my menu click it. Notification bell on the any upload be about sabit me I can share. I'm for Faber share. Any comments be I want so over to me edge our comment section ho. Your Facebook as Let's Talk GH rumors and your TikTok as Let's Talk GH Mr. Rose. Over follow these pages Adam. I was saying him say Queen Afia Schwar Mzbel no advocate Edema Dr. Mahmudu Baumia. But after about way I said the Kikako easy may declare there but you who say winning team no NDC. Entino NDC supporters be akoka de abeka omo master. See the Afia Schwar Mzbel for the first time after the election aba. Any omampenyi that John Dramani Mahama. Any Mzbel ne huna mane o chirema wase. O see say you swear a yo mampenyi that John Dramani Mahama sisi ato ne swaba ni you swear ni ina. You benya first ladies. Just say nye first lady. And somebody wakike bi ankasa.
Nani yire wo ho. Mo dia mo famra. God bless our homeland Ghana. I am somewhere. You still have me to deal with. Me. You have me to deal with. I'm more beyond from me, you still have me to deal with. John Mahama or the Mzbel. I will fear Abana Lordina or Mzbel betray woman tro. So be the Kosia Bono. Mzbel Kobodia. So be the Kosia Bona. I want to draw Mama Codino. Me did the Afia Schwar Mzbel. I people for no money more we. I feel na many more started. Me person this Libya pe. Na me usa mushe mi twam. Yeah, says this Libya ni ho. Message on Mahama or the Mzbel. I will baby and yereda. Kwasia for bring yourself. Bring it, Mufabra. May I show you, said John Mahama. May I show you, said John Dramani Mahama. May I show you, said John Mahama. Or the Mzbel. Now Lordina Mahama will fear. And this is for bring it on. Ya two abanawie. Me pesa political party be a generally. And this is for come for the main cause. Mumra nyenye. Me tremo. This is the time. Some person here on. Mumu. Say my city and me and people follow. I just wanted them to sit down. Now that they are sitting down, many money go and kill my children. John Mahama or the Mzbel. Nani ireda demo. Or the Mzbel. Mo koto goda mo kobodia. John Mahama or the Mzbel. Our Lordina fee. Afina mo kobodia. Afina mo bekume mana mo kokume mano. John Mahama or the Mzbel. Na Lordina wo fee. Na Mzbel say, yeah, attacking. Na obi attacking. Tie, John Mahama or the Mzbel. Na Lordina ete ho. Omumodua. John Mahama or the Mzbel. In the presence of Lordina. Na Lordina ada. And this way, Monkwan to Uncle Diabio, Messe, John Mahama, or the Mzbel, oh, fear Lordina them. Monko Bodia, Afina me pesa Mubodia, me come is Bodia, John Mahama, or the Mzbel, now the hero, Mumbo Midia, me cordon faba, a Zuzebo, some Bodia, and men, Messe, John Mahama. Oh, the Mzbel, none in Lordina, and with the same house. And this is for Mumodia. This is the beginning of shit, NDC. This is the beginning of what we call shit. John Mahama, or the Mzbel, and will fear na Lordina Mahama womb. Namumake, John Mahama Abapaway, Mzbel betutu kwine. Munkon the timeline. Namunshe, Mzbel betutu kwine. Or be 2 Africa way, alcohol dying, because NDC is full of stupid people, and the people that invest in them, they don't. One of our check, John Mahama NDC web room. John Mahama would the Mzbel, and will fear na Lordina Mahama womb. Almost family called the same Togo no Munkobo Media. This is the beginning of nothing. More we need election or Ghana for any so. Me many so more your toilets any day. Baby na Mukobo Midiano, Mukobo said Jano. John Mahama fuck Mzbel in the same house. Why not respect our money here? My husband sleeping around is one thing. Sleeping with his bitch in the same house I am. John Mahama the Mzbel with the same house. With my full chest, I'm saying this. Omo no and omo ma omo nua fake Mahama eko high dying and my Mzbel I was spinters Rafik on a signing contract no me say mo dem this is gonna be a long 4 years. Sorry too. Yeah, I'm not deceiving MPP people. Yeah, the sympathy vote and the Thomas John Mahama 2012. After that, then what? You have to sympathy vote to man, you know, we'll lose it twice. 2016 or 2020 one watch ya like esuko no matter say ba umia na ya musemo wini. 2016 oriye 2020 oriye oni neti perfo ko jira ntokwa no oriye. Enti say watch akola keto te say ba umia esuko no ma in politics. Me say ba umia on contest bibi ada. Ba umia on contest bibi ada o. Show me what he contested. Or contested flag bearership or winning overwhelmingly. Or contested Ghana election when now over 40%. Or party and watch him, you know, Alan Cash. Why na France there and collect him pilolo. Na chief. Na nem front it go. But me on contested that. If you call this a loose, then you don't know politics. That is why NDC they can't jubilate. Because in this election, the winner is His Excellency Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. That's the truth. Go back and ask Omo study political science no control. NDC, Omo winning into power. Asa. If you are studying political science, the winner of this election is His Excellency Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Because all the odds were against him. Your party ni muache. Ghana, yeah, 2 10-party states. Already, you know. Already, you know. IPP do 2 term dada. We were just trying to break the 8. Already, NPP do 2 term dada. Bawumia is a newest candidate. The first election went over 40%. Papa Sindum na what the sister you will support 10% to that. Ah? Look at the margin between Bawumia and John Mahama and go back and check 2016 and ask yourself if you lost this election. At the end of the day, we have educated 5.7 million Ghanaians. NDC, Omo winning parliament. And you know, on the 7th of December, NDC must cancel e-levy, number one.
Abusia na chese de Queen Afia Schwar canonize ade until say best where eye omampanyi a yato the swabas si aye nyina ye nim say even no opponent nipa no one ne pre no aye Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia akura be accept defeat, so who are we odo kura no abe accept de na chese kabe akoye say NDC na afa aba no enti no until say best when in ne de em say backlash ne de Afia Schwar nye na bi so obeja because of say NDC for ye dia wo de be memma wo mo ankasa me de mani edi nsem nechi any update be be fi wa bebia me de be ba be so mo meeting e de na na akua santoa makram